In this video, you will learn how to update your mobile phone number as an end user. First, log in to the end user dashboard. Navigate to your profile in the top right corner of the page. Click on Settings. Click the Edit Profile button and re-authenticate when prompted. Find the Personal Information section and click Edit. Now you can update your mobile phone number. Once the number is updated, click Save. The mobile phone number is now updated. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.